Hi, I have a Duo 11 Sony Vaio computer, and I had some trouble with the screen, and I had to reboot the computer. So to use the second screen as main monitor, I got some advice at the site web to unplug the screen, and I just wanted to share the solution. It's very simple. Just the cable that is on the right of the Duo over here, just reach into the screen, and there you go. There's a cable that connects to the monitor, and that's about it. It has to be turned off in order for all the circuits to remain alright. And there you go. It's a simple trick. Just unplug the cable from the right side of the monitor. The other cable, I think, is for Wi-Fi. And you have if you ever want to plug it again, you just plug it in. Just be careful, and that's it. Thank you.